Welcome back, everyone. Just in summary, we have spoken about vision, mission, and core values. That's the three things we've spoken about in this visionary leadership session. And I really encourage you to go through the manual again. But I'm just going to give a quick summary. There's a dimension, there's guiding questions, and focus. And I want to explain this very quickly. Vision is your dimension. Let's look at vision. What is the guiding question when you're looking at vision? Where is God taking us? That's vision. Where's the focus? In the future. When it comes to mission, what's the question? What are we doing to get there? How are we going to get there where God wants us to go? That's the question for mission. What's the focus? Now, the present. When you look at your core values, what's the question? Who are we as we go? And the focus is, what's your church's character? That summarizes vision, mission, and core values so easy. Vision, where is God taking us? Future focused. Mission, what are we doing to get there? Presently focused. And values, who are we as we go? And that's character focused. I hope really that this leadership session, vision leadership session, has enriched you and will help you in your ministry. Please get hold of me if I can help with anything. God bless you.